Hey designers, we're going to create this motion poster inside After Effects, and everything will be done within After Effects only. No need for Photoshop or any other software. We'll start by creating a new composition and then add a solid layer for the background. Go to Effects and Presets, search for Gradient Ramp, and apply it to the solid layer. Then choose the colors for your gradient to set the tone. Now import the stack of books, PNG, which already has transparency. Scale it down to fit nicely into the composition. And then bring in the two building PNGs. Position them carefully, adjust their placement until they look balanced. And then put the stack of books on top so it stands out as the main element. After that, import the transparent cloud PNG. Duplicate it multiple times and arrange the clouds around the scene to create a nice layered sky effect. To animate them, create a new null object. Select all the cloud PNG layers and parent them to this null so they can move together. With the null selected, press P to open the position property, click on the stopwatch to create the first keyframe, then move the playhead forward a few frames and adjust the cloud's position to make them drift naturally. You can still tweak the placement of individual clouds if needed, but using the null gives you easy control over the overall movement and creates a smooth animation for your motion poster. You can adjust the speed of the null object by moving the second anchor point on the timeline. And once that's set, take the text tool and type in your text, then align it properly in the composition and adjust the color so it matches the look of your poster. To give it a smooth animation, go to Effects and Presets, search for Slow Fade On, and apply it to the text layer. Then press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes and change the speed by moving the second keyframe closer or further away. Next, let's add a subtle to and fro movement to the buildings to make the scene more dynamic. Select both building layers, use the Anchor Point tool to move their anchor points to the bottom. Then press R for rotation and click the stopwatch to create rotation keyframes. And change the rotation of both buildings slightly, one at a time, so they tilt in opposite directions. Move the timeline indicator a few frames forward and change the rotation of both buildings slightly, one at a time. To keep this motion looping throughout, hold ALT and click on the rotation stopwatch, type loop out, Then, inside the parentheses, put quotation marks and write ping pong. Copy-paste this same expression onto the second building layer. Now the buildings will continuously rock back and forth. As a finishing touch, import the headphones PNG and place it wherever it looks best in the design, making sure it complements the rest of the composition. Once everything is in place, preview the animation to see the final motion poster come to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.